Yo, thank you so much, TJ. Thank you for picking up Robin, gifting her a sub, allowing her to watch the stream without ads and being able to use the emotes. I appreciate that, TJ. Thank you very much. So yeah, again, these are Vertex, another brand that they had at Rockler that I'm trying out. I would really like some, what is it, Brusso? It starts with a B. I can't remember the hinge name, but I think it's Brusso. I really want to try those, and maybe soon I will have an opportunity to actually try some. We'll see how things go, but but they're like $50. Like $50 each, and I can't pay $50 for some hinges. That's a lot. Cross with the 100 bits as well. Keeping the hype train alive. Thank you very much, Cross, for the 100 bits. Thanks, Robin. I try and catch up with chat. Chat is flying right now. Let's go. Sai is going. Gotta go do Sai things. Good luck with the boxes. Thanks so much, Sai. Take it easy. Thanks for hanging out today, Sai. Okay, my goodness. Woodwork is such a chill vibe. Thanks, Morgan. Thanks. I really do enjoy it. Again, I been streaming for a couple of years now. I stream 4 to 5 times a week, and just enjoy hanging out here in my shop with you guys. I always find it much better to be streaming and working and just being able to share all of this stuff. There's people coming in like Karen and others who have said, you know, like they have been watching this process and kind of learning some along the way. And I have definitely learned a lot from you guys and all of y'all's suggestions and with the experience that y'all have. So it's definitely a mutually beneficial and enjoyable thing. So yeah, Tao, thank you for that follow. I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, and for you guys who, you know, may not watch much woodwork or makers and crafting streams, if y'all just joined, yeah, there's a lot of really good people here. We have a Discord and a Twitch stream team called the Craftsman's Guild. If you guys are in Discord and want to join us, you can do !Discord and join us in the Craftsman's Guild, and you'll find a lot more makers there as well. We've got I don't know, something like 20 active members right now, and everything from woodworkers to leather workers. I got some metal workers as well, and things like that. So, Momo picking up that Tau guy, getting to 96% on level 1. Thank you so much, Momo. Poe, nice. I'm glad I was able to explain it.